So now let's see how we can insert Google Sheets onto our Google Docs document right here. For that, I'm going to go onto my new tab and then type in sheets.google.com just like this. So it opens up the Google Sheets homepage, and what I can do is I'm just going to go around and then select out, let's say, the to-do list right here. I'm going to use just a template just like this. And you have the template right here. And to bring this right over here onto our Google Docs document, you select the range of cells that you want to bring in. You copy this out by pressing Ctrl C and then go back onto Google Docs and press Ctrl V. And over here you have two options. You can paste unlinked. That means it gets pasted as an image right here. It is not linked out as anything else. So you can resize this out. You can still select this out, change it out, but it is not linked to the Google Sheets right here. But if you want to link it out and bring in the exact data, let me just press Ctrl Z a few times, and I'm going to press Ctrl V once more, and now I'm going to choose link to spreadsheet and I'm going to hit paste. So what happens is that you can still make the changes here, but it is not changed here. But if I were to make the change here, just like this, for example, and do a few tick marks just like this, go back, and then what happens is that I have an option to update the from to-do list. So if I were to click on update, it gets updated onto the new data that we added in here, as you can see right here. So that is how you can insert Google Sheet document. And if you want to unlink it out, you can just go over here and then you can open the source right over there, and it opens the source over there as well. And the other option that you have is you can change the range. So you can select, so right now it's from A1 to C16. That's the value of the sheet cells. But if you want to go over here and just bring in, let's say, for example, not till C16, but till only C5, then you press OK. It'll update the cell range just like this, as you can see. You can also go over here and then you can unlink it out so it does not have relation to the Google Sheets right there. And that is how you can insert Google Sheets cells onto your Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.